Hey everyone, I am Gabriel John Vincent TAGANAS, and today's topic is about plants. There are 4 subtopics for today's discussion. Let's start. Topic number 1 is about angiosperms and gymnosperms. So, angiosperm, a seed is produced by flowering plants and is enclosed with ovary, while gymnosperms, a seed is produced by non-flowering plants and are unenclosed or naked. So the life cycle of angiosperms are seasonal, while the life cycle of gymnosperms are evergreen. The type of wood that angiosperms have are hardwood type. On the contrary, the type of wood that gymnosperms have are softwood type. Angiosperms reproduction rely on animals, while gymnosperms reproduction rely on wind. Angiosperms reproductive system could be unisexual or bisexual, while gymnosperms reproductive system is present in cones and are unisexual. Topic 2 is about plant tissue and organs. Plant organ includes roots, stem, flowers, and leaves. Organs composed of one or more tissues. Flowers and fruits evolved from stems and leaves. Leaves help carry out photosynthesis. Here are the layers of the leaves. Upper and lower epidermis both cover and protect the plant and secretes a very waxy substance. Upper epidermis is thin and allows light to penetrate. Palisade mesophyll helps with photosynthesis, has a lot of chloroplast, and it is slightly packed to maximize the absorption of light. Spongy mesophyll helps in gas exchange and diffusion, so that it can take place easily. Pores of leaves on the bottom part is called stomata. Topic 3 is about plant nutrition, absorption, and transport. Nutrition. Where do plants get their food from? Plants are autotrophic. That means they make their own food through the process of photosynthesis. Here are some nutrients so that plants can grow fast and healthy. Nitrogen is needed to make protein. Without it, plants will have stunted growth. Leaves will be yellow and sometimes shriveled. Magnesium is needed to make chlorophyll. Without it, plants' growth will be limited because it will do less photosynthesis. Potassium is needed for growth and for the plant's immune system. Without it, the plant's older leaves become yellow but the stem is still green. It's just potassium deficient. Phosphate or phosphorus is involved in energy transfer so that the whole plant can grow correctly, including the roots. Without it, older leaves are darker green and some have fallen off. Sometimes veins become purple and plant growth becomes stunted. Mineral absorption. Plants get carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen from air and water to carry out photosynthesis, which is a very important process for plants. But for mineral nutrients, they get it from the soil. The presence of minerals in soil is a result of weathering of parent rocks, meaning they undergo various chemical and physical mechanical changes, leaving behind these mineral elements in the soil as a result. These minerals in soil are either in absorbed form onto the soil or dissolved form. So to absorb minerals from the soil, plants use their roots and in some cases, their leaves. The mineral nutrients absorbed have many functions and roles to play in the body of plants. They are constituents of various proteins, pigments, nucleic acids, and enzymes. They also play roles in cell signaling and metabolism. Plants take up these mineral nutrients in form of ions. Can be a passive process or passive transport, which takes place along the concentration gradient and usually requires no energy. Active process or active transport, where active absorption occurs against the concentration gradients and requires energy. The transport system of plants: xylem and phloem vessel. Xylem transports water and mineral ions, while phloem transports dissolved food, which is glucose. Xylem's direction is upwards only from the roots to the stem and leaves, while phloem's direction is up and down from the plant, or what they call translocation. Xylem doesn't need energy because it is physical process, while phloem needed energy. Topic 4 is about plant hormones. Hormones are chemical messengers synthesized at one location that deliver messages to a different location. So here are 5 main types of hormones influencing plant growth. Auxin. This hormone allows plant to bend towards the light. It's called phototropism. Synthesized at stem tips, travels downwards. If remove stem tip, plant loses ability to grow towards the light. More auxin, more focused on formation of roots. Gibberellin, required in order for a plant to germinate, promotes elongation of internodes. Internodes are stem between nodes. Cytokinin, counters senescence, produced in the tip of the roots. Works with ethylene to cause the abscission of leaves, flowers, and fruits. More cytokinin, more focused on formation of shoots. Ethylene, the magical ripening hormone. More of it is produced by rapidly growing and dividing cells. Important in germinating plants because it prevents leaf expansion and allows the shoots to dig upward through the soil until it reaches the light. Abscisic acid, hormone that signals dehydration. It makes leaves close their stomata to prevent water loss through phototransportation. And that's my brief explanation. Thank you for listening.